Hello dear students, again, this is the reading and writing subject, and today's topic is a complaint letter. In this lesson we'll talk about how to write a complaint letter, and we'll try to define the word, the term itself, of course. And here, the first one is given the definitions about a complaint letter. A complaint letter is written to complain about the wrongdoings, bad state of affairs, errors, or etc. to the authority. From here you can see the complaint letter is mainly written in the formal style. And effective complaint letters should involve the concise, authoritative, must be authoritative and factual. It must involve the factual information, and also the effective complaint letter must be constructive and of course the friendly. Here you can see the mainly in order to achieve the good results with the help of the complaint letter, you should involve the factual information about what happened, previous situations, in order to get the imagination of the authorities, and of course there must be exactly data and time to make it more precise and concise, and of course it must be constructive, and regardless of the complaint letter, it must be in a friendly atmosphere. And to write concise letters. What is it? Structure the letter is important. Think in terms of the acronym AIDA: attention, interest, desire, and action. This is the fundamental process of the persuasion. Structure your letter so that you include a heading which identifies the issue and name of product, service, person, location, with code or reference the number, if applicable, of course. Then state the simple facts with the relevant details and dates. Next, state what you would like to happen, a positive request for the reader to react to. From here you can see the writers can give the positive request to the authority also. And even if you are very angry, it's always important to make a positive, complimentary comment. It will make the reader and the organization more inclined and want to help you. And authoritative complaint letters have credibility and carry more weight. Professional presentation, good grammar and spelling, firmness and clarity, language and tone can all help to establish your credibility, that you can be trusted and believed, that you know your facts, and that you probably have a point. Complaint letters must include all the facts, but the brief and concise. Mention just the key facts, especially dates, and reference the numbers. What's the constructive letters? Constructive letters and suggestions make complaints easier to resolve. Accentuate the positive wherever possible. Be different by being positive and constructive. State the facts and then suggest what needs to be done to resolve matters. It helps to seen as a positive and constructive customer rather than a negative and critical one. Write letters with friendly and complimentary tone. It's very essential in the complaint letter in order to achieve the different tone in your complaint letters. This is perhaps the most important rule of all when complaining. Be kind to people and they will be kind to you. ask for their help. It's really so simple, and they will want to help you. And here, complaint letter template. In the complaint letter, you should involve the name and address, date, and it must be started with this kind of structure: dear sir or madam, and heading with relevant reference numbers, of course, if it's applicable. And ask for the person's help. You should ask, and then state facts of the situations. It's really important to get the imagination of the authorities about the events or the situations. So and also your complaint letter must be involve some kind of solution or resolution or request. The author have the chance to give some request in order to solve the situation, and this means that you can give the suggested solution also to the authorities. And the next one is, and state some positive things about your normal experience with the organization concerned. For example, that you have no wish to go elsewhere and hope that a solution can be found. And state that you look forward to hearing from them soon and that you appreciate their help. And that's also important. And at the end, you can give the ending part of your complaint letter. That's yours faithfully or something else. And don't forget about the style of the letters. Of course, this is must be in the formal style. And don't forget to give the signature, of course, and your printed name must be given in a positive position and title and position, or if applicable. Position here, it can be the teacher or seller or anything, any kind of what situation, the position of the person who are complaining about the situation. So that was all. If you have any questions, feel free to write on the Moodle in the chatting part. Thank you for your attention. Bye.